Digital marketing in 2024 is an exciting landscape filled with opportunities for anyone looking to expand their skills or launch a career. The first thing to understand is that digital marketing is no longer just about social media posts or email campaigns. It's a multifaceted field that encompasses everything from SEO to data analytics, and it's evolving faster than ever. Let's dive into SEO, or search engine optimization. In 2024, it's more important than ever to create high-quality, relevant content that answers users' queries. Google's algorithms are getting smarter, focusing on user experience and intent. This means that keyword stuffing is out, and providing real value is in. Think about how you can create content that not only ranks well, but also engages your audience. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can help you analyze what's working and what's not. Next, we have social media marketing. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are still dominating, but the way we engage with audiences is shifting. Short-form video content is king, and brands are leveraging this to tell their stories in creative ways. User-generated content is also a powerful tool. Encourage your audience to share their experiences with your brand, and don't forget to engage with them. Authenticity is key in 2024. People want to connect with real individuals, not faceless corporations. Email marketing is far from dead. In fact, it's evolving. Personalization is crucial. Use data to segment your audience and tailor your messages. Automated workflows can help you nurture leads effectively, but remember to keep your content relevant and engaging. A well-crafted email can still drive significant traffic and conversions. Now, let's talk about data analytics. In 2024, data is your best friend. Tools like Google Analytics and Tableau can provide insights into customer behavior, helping you make informed decisions. Understanding metrics like conversion rates, bounce rates, and customer lifetime value can guide your strategies and optimize your campaigns. The more you know about your audience, the better you can serve them. Another trend to watch is the rise of artificial intelligence in digital marketing. AI tools can help automate tasks, analyze data, and even create content. Chatbots are becoming more sophisticated, providing instant customer service and support. Embracing these technologies can give you a competitive edge. Finally, let's not forget about the importance of continuous learning. The digital marketing landscape is always changing, so staying updated with the latest trends and tools is essential. Online courses, webinars, and industry blogs are great resources. Networking with other professionals can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. In summary, digital marketing in 2024 is all about creating meaningful connections, leveraging data, and embracing new technologies. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, there's never been a better time to dive into this dynamic field. Focus on providing value, stay adaptable, and keep learning. The future of digital marketing is bright, and it's waiting for you to take the plunge.